4:50 a.m. About to go to the gym, see what it's like. Start off the day cool before school. Let's do it. And we're back. Just a quick workout before I go to school. Got a nice little pump. I did shoulders and bicep, which is a new split I'm trying. Just got home. It is 5:52 a.m. You might be wondering, like, why would I go to the gym at 5 instead of just later in the day? There's less people, gives me a reason to wake up, and it feels great, having a pump before school, before your day starts, and then I just get to take a quick shower, feel refreshed, feel ready, feel like I already done stuff in the day, and it sets the day off in the right tone. See you soon. So now before school, I just try to spend as much time outside doing stuff, and I'm gonna take the trash back inside the trash bin, and yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the day, enjoy the creation of life before school starts. What's up, boys? I had school soccer practice. Now we're at the PC uploading a new video. That's me. What's up? And yeah, we're chilling.